Right, in this video we're showing a quick explanation of what you see here in the run screen. So we'll start with the slope values up here. So the actual is the actual percent of grade that is your blade is currently sitting at in real time. The target slope is the percent of fall that the model's calling for, the project's calling for. So the percent of fall of slope on this road would be represented here. The distance icon right here, the 7.6 foot, is letting us know we have a line selected, which we have the edge of pavement selected. And it's letting us know we would need to steer the machine over 7.58 feet to get to that edge of pavement line. That line is also displayed here in the cross-section view as a dashed line here. So when you steer the machine over, you'll see your blade approach that dashed line. Up here, of course, we're seeing our cut, fill, or on grade values for the left edge of the blade, right edge of the blade. Down here, we're seeing our station information. So where we're at on, based on the center line we have selected, the distance of our reference point to the center line. So right now we have the right edge of the blade selected. So it's telling us we were 5 foot 5'3" offset of that center line. And our current design elevation is represented showing according to where our hydraulic control point is. This is our reference point is. This is the current design elevation of the surface. So that's finished grade to the surface. If you click on the screen, you have multiple options. So right now we're in a 3D view, so you can click and pan and view the machine any way you like. Also, you saw the plus and negative pop up, so we can zoom in, zoom out. Sorry, my mask looked kind of funny. It's just blown up on the simulator. But zoom in, zoom out. Also, if we click this 3D button, puts us in an overhead 2D mode. This is the way most operators like to work. You can see your lines clearly. The line with the dots on it is the line we have selected as our current guideline. So that's 7 foot over to the edge of pavement. Same thing with the cross-section view. So we can zoom in, zoom out to better see our cross-section view. And then we have our different view options. So we can go into view. Right now we're in overview. You're basically going to view, I have some hidden here because these are the main ones you're going to use as overview. Extended overview shows you a forward slope as well as cross slope and plan view. So this is the slope coming out in front of the machine. And plan view, just overall plan view with the same options. And a giant section view. So you can just work off just your section view. Also right here, it's showing you your current elevation. This is our current real-time elevation, not to be confused with the design elevation. Also, if we had a vertical offset dialed in, this is where it would display your vertical offset. Thank you, and hope this helps explain the run screen.